Teaching kids about nutrition help them develop healthy habits that will stick with them for life. By learning about the importance of eating a variety of foods from all food groups, kids will learn to make healthy food choices. This will help them maintain a healthy weight, prevent chronic diseases, and promote overall health and well being. In this activity, we are going to tell the children what is healthy and unhealthy food and what are their advantages and disadvantages so that the children can choose good food and harmful food by themselves.
Vegetables